The habit of thinking and communicating with clarity and with precision. Art did a lovely job just then of describing what it's all about, and I just want to reiterate a point he made, that this habit of mind, although it's often referred to as communicating with clarity and precision, is really about the thinking. When you hear fuzzy language, you're witnessing fuzzy thinking coming out. So really this strategy, we often hear it in classrooms and we talk about projecting voices and looking the audience in the eye and summarizing your key points and all those sorts of ideas. But really the strategies aren't about the communicating part. The strategies are about the thinking that allows the communication to be clear and precise. And so this habit of mind isn't just about those techniques. It's about strategies that organize your thinking. Things like mind maps, things like thinking tools, thinking maps, those sorts of ideas that allow us to give structure and clarity to our mind, to our thoughts, that then allow us to communicate that in more clear and precise ways. So when you're thinking about the habit of thinking and communicating with clarity and with precision, I want you to shift your focus just a little bit away from the communicating with clarity and precision to the thinking with clarity and precision, and ask, how do we help students think more clearly and more precisely? Because when our thoughts are organized, when our mind is clear, then it is much, much easier to communicate with clarity and precision.